Obviously, we've started off as a survey platform. We've kind of expanded into a much larger subset of capabilities. And I'll talk a little bit about the capabilities that we really kind of lean into, right? The primary one is, the first one I would say is market research and consumer insights. Both from a qual and a quant perspective, we want to solve that capability problem. So from a qual perspective, we acquired a company called DigSite a year and a half, 2 years ago, I think. And then obviously the qual platform has been with us for a long time. So we can do conjoint, MaxDiff, Gabor-Granger, looping, branching, piping, extraction. All these capabilities are baked into the platform. And we've also expanded that platform to include audience, which is, it's a nicer word for sampling, I guess, from a market research perspective, and also communities for doing longitudinal studies. So these things kind of combined holistically create a kind of amazing research kind of platform that for a head of insights for a particular company, they can look at the breadth of all capabilities that they need, both from a qual and a quant perspective, as well as a repository perspective. So the way I think about this is we want to make sure that all the capabilities from a technical perspective and a technology perspective are available to a research team that enable them to do their job. The second piece of our business, as well as our bet, is really on CX. So where the primary thrust of the conversation is voice of the customer. That's kind of our core product. That includes that we've kind of surrounded up with the digital experience platform, which we call Intercept, which is collecting data and behavioral data online. And then also about a year and a half, we acquired a company called SweetCX that does journey management. We believe that having the entire holistic picture from a customer CX perspective includes journey management as part of the ecosystem. So those are the capabilities that we kind of lean into with respect to CX. The third component of our business is really employee experience. So we lean into that with a core continuous listening product that is, again, anchored on surveys. And also, we've kind of bolted that on with an action management tool, because we strongly believe that just collecting data without actions is not going to really affect change. So we want to create tools and technology that actually drive change rather than just collect data. So that's kind of our fundamental ethos in terms of when we think about what to build, why we build something. So action planning is part of that. And we also kind of rounded that out with a 360 leadership evaluation tool for the HR buyer. And we've wrapped this whole thing with a business intelligence platform. Our vision is that you have experience that is coming from experiential data that's coming from customers, the market, and employees. So these are the three sources of experiential data that come in. And we kind of bring all of them together in a BI platform. And we've kind of enabled some AI tools on top of that. So we have a holistic view of your business that you look at it from, hey, how are my employees thinking? How are my customers thinking? How's the market thinking about these products? So that's the way we've thought about our platform.